Hey everybody, how's it going? Thanks for watching Manny Scale Modeling. I'm Manny, and today we're just going to do a kind of a quick tutorial on doing the wood that I did here. As you can see, the paints we're using, Kaleido Primer, or you can use Mr. Finishing Surfacer. We're going to be using the Flat Black XF1 and Clear Red X27. We're going to do this bed here. It's out of the Foos truck, and there's not really much or any wood grain in there. I think it's decal that goes on there, but we're gonna do it anyway, see how it looks. And gonna be using the AK Real Colors wood base marker, and then just to try, which I'm gonna try these last two here, we're gonna try it with the clear orange just to see what that looks like. So it'll be clear red on top, and then here it'll be clear orange, just to see what it looks like. So the first thing we're going to do is the AK marker. Give it a little shake. And all I did was I think I did 2 coats. Dried it with the heat gun. I'm sure, I mean, there's a lot of other ways to do this. This is just something that I tried myself and just looked pretty cool, so I went with it. I don't know if it matters with the marker you use, or I don't know, but it looked pretty cool. And I did prime the bed first with the black Kaleido, so I'll just dry this up. Okay. That's dry. Do another coat. I'm not sure if I did 2 or 3 coats, but we'll see how it looks after this one. I wanted the dark look, the dark wood for my rat rod. That's why I was messing around with doing it. I did a lot more of the flat black than you normally would. There's a lot of other guys that have done tutorials on this too, and some of them are just awesome. I know Justin at J Hart Model Works there, he did a tutorial doing a steering wheel and a dash, and it was just awesome looking. Yeah, I think we'll keep it at 2 coats. I think. Yeah, do it at 2 coats. Alright, get the black shook up and be right back. Okay guys, I got the black Tamiya black all shook up, and I'm gonna do a little bit of dry brush kinda, but it's gonna be a little bit heavier. And a couple people on the watched the video of the Ford there, and I asked if anybody wanted to see how I did that color, so just do a little quick how-to. You could probably do lighter areas, which I think I did on that one. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. Alright, get some more paint off of this brush. Let's see if we can make it a little bit lighter in some spots. Yeah, it don't look too bad, I guess. Kind of darker, but that's alright. Alright, I get the brush cleaned up here, and we'll be right back and we'll do the clear. I'll dry this. Well, let's do that now. Actually, why don't we do that? That's pretty good. All right, I'll clean the brush off. We'll come back. We'll do the clear red. Okay, guys, we are back, and we'll do some clear red. And remember, I'm only going to do down to a certain point. We'll do right to there. Seems like this wider brush works a lot better than some of the other ones, but yeah, that looks pretty cool. But you guys can see that. That's all I did though. So let me clean this up. We'll get the clear orange ready and we'll do the last two and see what the difference is. Be right back. Okay, guys, we got the brush cleaned and we'll try to do the last two with the orange. See what kind of color difference there is. I might put too much on there. I mean, it kind of brings out the base a little bit more, it looks like. I don't know. I'm gonna have to do grab another bed too and do another part 2 of this, I guess. Because I want to do a light one too. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't look bad. Without the wood grain. I think wood grain in the bed itself makes it look a lot better, but I guess it still looks pretty cool. Well, yeah, the orange does look like it made it lighter though. So that's kind of cool. But, alright guys, that's it. Just something quick just to try out and show whoever wanted to see it. And I'll do another one. Maybe do a couple different ones with just different colors. I'm kind of curious myself, and I don't do too much of this wood grain stuff, so check it out again later. So thanks for watching, everybody, and be back again soon. See ya.